we're now ready. That's around about 5 minutes, give or take. So we're going to use straightforward mains water for this, but to finish it off so it makes it easier for drying, this is softened water. After I've washed it, I go around with that and you can basically walk away from it, then it'll just dry itself. Now you must not let that dry on the paintwork. So just to make it more touchless now, okay, we're now going to swap over and we're going to go for basically a sort of a distilled water. So we'll just get rid of this one and connect the distilled water. So that is basically siphoning from that bucket now, all right? A few minutes for it to get through. There we go. It removes all the limey water. You can see the bucket going down. So that's that bit. So now we're just going to blow it off with this. The Works Leaf Jet Turbo. This is excellent. I just love this tool. Just watch what it does. What I want now is just to look at it and see if there's any dirt left on it. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, there's a link up there if you want to buy me a coffee. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!